justified. Just tell me it's over. It's over. I need to get you out of my mind. Lose my composure. Give me some closure. Baby, you know I'll be alright. Be alright. There'll be days when nothing is going your way, and anxiety takes you to space when you just need light in the dark. And there'll be days when everything falls into place, like autumn leaves touching the pavement. That's how you feel in my arms. You can follow me whenever you wander, 'cause I can be the place you call home. Follow me whenever you wonder where you should go. If you feel alone, follow me. Wish you and I can run away, make our own island, dancing off into the night. Then I know you'd never be far. You know some days in life you don't get what you hoped for, but through the hard times you know I will be there for you always. Just look up, I'll be your North Star. You can follow me whenever you wander, 'cause I can be the place you call home. Follow me whenever you wonder where you should go. If you feel alone, follow me. Oh, follow me. Oh, follow me. I was looking for a blessing, but you were just a lesson that I didn't want to learn. And then you let me burn. Some days I want to scream at a mountain you can't reach, so you can't hear me. I'm just a rock falling down, begging to be found, but I got caught between. Blame it on the walk for too long, and now you're gone. I see my reflection staring back at me, reminding me of what I couldn't see, saying my lies while I'm dying inside, and I can't breathe. We could blame it on the wine. it's not my style. Shit's feeling kind of volatile. Wanna face the facts that I don't know the half of it. Throw my pasta at the wall to see what really sticks. Wanna get back to feeling, but it's not there. Heart's numb, why can't I smell your hair? Let's fuck it all up. Don't wanna cry anymore. Can't bring water before I keep searching for someone to say, 'cause I couldn't say it to your face. Feeling like nothing again, and I'm living what's already happened. Searching for someone to say, 'cause I couldn't say it to your face. Couldn't say it to your face. Couldn't say it to your face. Can't seem to get myself asleep. Wanna take something to unbelieve. Don't tell me what I'm supposed to feel. Making peace with a shitty deal. Got trapped laying low, don't wanna call my friends. I'm taking myself in a hole, sticking in the self-control. Let's fuck it all up. Don't wanna cry anymore, and I can't bring water before I keep searching for someone to say, 'cause I couldn't say it to your face. Feel like nothing again, and I'm living what's already happened. Searching for someone to say, 'cause I couldn't say it to your face. Couldn't say it to your face. Couldn't say it to your face.
I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock. Memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through alley-oops and shattered windows throwing baseballs. Mom packed me a brown bag every day, from 5 years old up to 18. A note that said I love you XO, and all my friends, they're begging me, making bids on Mom's fresh cookies. And I quit playing ball at age 15, traded my new bat for an old guitar. No more jersey, just tuxedos. Something great. Tell me that you feel the same. Never be afraid. I'll be there to hold you. So if you're gonna run, then run with me. If you got a drum, I've got your beat. We'll make our own path through whatever comes. I'll be your rock when the going's tough. Because there's no love like our love. There's so much still to explore. 100 years, then 100 more. If we're rich or poor, I'll be there to hold you. So if you're gonna run, then run with me. If you got a drum, I've got your beat. We'll make our own path through whatever comes. I'll be your rock when the going's tough. Because there's no love like our love. Oh, and I know that we'll find days harder than these. Oh, but I swear I'll keep you safe right here with me. So if you're gonna run, then run.